Good morning, my dear students. Today our lesson is money. First, I decided to introduce you the coins and notes that we are using in Sri Lanka before move to our lesson. Here, let's see what are money. The money we use comes in two forms, coins and notes. In Sri Lanka, we are using not only Sri Lanka, all over the world, most of the countries, they use money in two forms, that is coins and notes. Let's see what are coins. A flat disc or piece of metal with an official stamp used as money. We call coins. Here I have a coin with me. That is a piece of metal. And the value of the coin and the government stamp also there. The logo of Sri Lanka is there and the value. It's a piece of metal. Here I have some coins. Sometimes you may have seen these. Sometimes you may have not. So I decided to introduce you each and every one. First I will introduce you, that is 1 cent coin. 1 cent coin. This is 2 cents. Here number and the value of the coin using numbers and the word in three languages, Tamil, Sinhala and English. This is 5 cents. Also here number and the number name in Sinhala, Tamil and English. This is 10 cents. These coins you may have seen. Definitely you should see this. This is 25 cents. And here this is 50 cents. This is 1 rupee coin. Recently we are using two types of 1 rupee coins here. This one or this one. Both are same, but there are small differences. This is 2 rupee coin. At that also same. We have one little bit bigger 2 rupee coin and the smaller one with small differences. This is 5 rupee coin. You may have seen both. One is bronze in color and the other one is silver color. That is 5 rupee coin. And this is 10 rupee coin. These days we have three types of 10 rupee coins. Out of that three, I have mentioned two pictures here. And also earlier we used this note. Later on it came to coin form, but earlier we used this green color 10 rupee note. Now let's see what are notes. A note, also known as paper money, is issued by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Notes are made out of papers while the coins made out of metal. And the place who print and distribute money in Sri Lanka is the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Can we print money? No. If you print money, the police will come and arrest you. So, the authorized place is to issue money is the Central Bank of Sri Lanka in our country. I introduced you earlier 10 rupee notes. Now, I'm going to introduce you the other notes. Here, this is 20 rupees. It is pink in color. Here also, the value of the note has mentioned in numerals and here words. Both sides it is there. This is blue color note. It is 50 rupee. Here also numerals and number name in both sides. This is 100 rupee note. It is orange in color. Now when you are going through notes one by one, you may see they have different colors and different pictures. After the lesson, you can go through your notes and check the colors and the pictures they have. This is purple in color and it is 500 note. This is 1000 note. It is green in color, but it is little bit bigger than 10 rupee note. This is 5000 rupee note. This is the highest value note that we have in Sri Lanka these days. When you are using this note, you should be very careful because the value of this note is very high. Now, for today, our lesson is almost finished. But I will send you some activities